Hello everybody, it's me again with another video. Naturally-Roshani here again with another video. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys just a healthy breakfast after a good workout. Today's workout is all about the upper body workout, but I'm really editing it really fast. I will post the official video soon, so guys stay tuned for that video. But yes, so every exercise is done about probably like 30 seconds of each exercise with the active rest in between, so yes, so that's all. After this exercise or this workout, I will be sharing with you guys how to make a healthy breakfast. Today I will be having cream of wheat. Now this is type of a porridge that we have over here, so it's called cream of wheat. It's very healthy, it's very high in iron and other good nutrients, but all I know is it's very high in iron. So if you are a woman out there, please go ahead and get yourself cream of wheat. It is so healthy, good for you, good for your body, and all that good stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and once again, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. For all my new subscribers, welcome to this channel. I share everything lifestyle. So I'm going to be making my cream of wheat using water. You can use milk if you want to, but I like adding my milk after it's nice and done. So yes, I'll be using water. I used to have water. You may use distilled water if you want to. Then you get your cream of wheat. Here is how it looks like. Cream of wheat, two and a half minutes to make it. So yes, so here we are. So basically just get the cream of wheat, transfer the cream of wheat in a bowl, then add some water and stir that water. Now the water on the pot, you've got to let that water boil first. So let it boil, then add some water in the cream of wheat, then turn it, mix it all up together. After it is all mixed up together, you then add it on the stove, in the pot on the stove. Okay, so here's a boiling water. Then we're going to add the cream of wheat that has been the mixture of the cream of wheat in the boiling water, and let it boil and stir it while boiling for 2.5 minutes or 3 minutes if you want it, however you would like it. So I like my cream of wheat sweet, so I like to add sugar. I added 6 tablespoons of sugar, raw sugar, organic raw sugar. Yes, you may add honey if you want to, but I like the raw sugar. I like my cream of wheat sweet. So after that, you just keep on stirring it, and you guys gonna see how it'll look like. Right, this is like a couple, this is how it looks like right now, you understand? After putting on the sugar and everything, stir it for a couple minutes, or stand right there and just keep on stirring, or else if you don't stir it, it's gonna stick to the pan or the pot. Now on the next clip, this is about like 2.5 minutes later, and this is how it's supposed to look like, nice and thick. And I suppose I added some milk on here too. Yes, I added some milk, hence you see the whitish type of situation in there. Yeah, so I added milk on there, and that is how your cream of wheat is supposed to look like. Then you just enjoy it after that. So yeah. So guys, you enjoy your cream of wheat. I like to add my collagen peptides on my cream of wheat or oatmeal or rice or whatever, tea, coffee. Yes, that stuff is so good, like for your skin, for your bones, repairment and all that good stuff. Yeah, so after that, so just come over here and just try to watch some YouTube videos. I need to catch up on some YouTube videos from subscribers that I have subscribed. So today I will be watching Sharon here on YouTube. Go ahead and check her out, y'all. I will put her link down below or her name on the video. So yes, I go ahead and enjoy my breakfast. Yes, let me not forget to say that you ought to pray before eating your type of meals, because the devil is a liar. Always thank God for providing for your food, because without him you would not be having anything on that table. So all praises to the Most High, all praises to Jesus Christ, the Lord and my Savior. So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Right now, I am just enjoying my cream of wheat. I love cream of wheat. It's so good, especially when you have milk on there. Oh my goodness, and some sugar. Yes. All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Enjoy wherever you are. Thank you guys so much. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to give me support. May God bless you all. For my new subscribers, God bless you, because without y'all, I wouldn't be here. So guys, let's all support each other, and I wish you all a lovely day. All right, guys. Bye-bye.